Hello friends, have a good day. To friends, I am showing today $30 no deposit bonus. To this broker available as a no deposit bonus $30 and not any terms and condition for withdrawal. Just simply complete $50 and withdrawal your money anytime on bank account, on MasterCard, on Binance Transfer, USDT, TRC20 and others all options. To available this equity is $47, free margin $47. To available bonuses $170. To how to claim this bonuses requirements, any friends, not any requirements for withdrawal. Just create your account in this broker. In this broker is a lending broker, not have any website, any promotional website, not available in this time. To claim this bonus, friends, you create your account this broker anytime, but your account slowly registration and verification to completing all requirements for verification your documents and CNIC cards, Aadhaar cards and other ways. To friends, completing your KYC and create a support and create ticket. To ticket three types I am creating, but I am showing first ticket on KYC. First ticket on create on your KYC after your KYC and very slowly but creating ticket and very highly you're creating your ticket. To sir, I am upload my documents but not very well. Please solve my problem. Priority is high and status close and always. To next ticket creating, I am changing as the IB, but this broker not changing my IB. But welcome bonus create as a welcome bonuses tickets to I am now you showing friends my account fully verified. Please give me welcome no deposit bonus account 7480. To this broker within 2 hours completing receive my bonuses. To friends, as a link to create using as a giveaways, some percents telegrams and randomly sharing your $25 as a giveaway. This broker is providing $30 no deposit bonus and create completing your equity anytime $50 and your withdrawal is anytime. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.